Okay, Ron, this is a little tutorial to tell you how you can fix your problem that you're having there and get your audio files to work on almost all devices there. So let's go through here. Plus, I want to get paid my $1,000 bet there. So I'll start up iTunes. I have iTunes going here. And I can go into iTunes, go up to your menu, Edit, Preferences, go to the Preferences, and in the General Preferences is a setting for whenever you rip a CD or import a CD there. And there are import settings here. So if you go here, let's go to what yours probably is currently set at, because you say you have WAV files. You can see there's all these different formats that I can save that imported CD songs as. And in the WAV encoding, there's also all kinds of settings. There's sample rate, sample size, channels, and other defaults and stuff like that. But I recommend that you don't use WAV files. I recommend MP3s because MP3s is the format that is available on the most devices. Also, if you do it at the lower quality on that, you have a better chance of it working on thousands of devices instead of hundreds of devices. And just like you're experiencing, some songs will play fine as WAV, others won't. It depends on the complexity of the song, the sampling rate and everything like that. If a song has well, we won't go into detail, so I won't bore you with detail, but change your import using to MP3. And then I recommend the high quality. Don't go the higher quality. Higher quality you go, the bigger the file size. Also, it assumes that the device that you're using to decode it is capable of keeping up with all of the bits and all of the information. And most older CD players, cheaper CD players, cheaper devices are not capable of keeping up with lossless and these other settings. So just use the high quality and do okay. Now import your CD and you'll see that the file size of these MP3 files is considerably less size than what your WAV files were, which means that it's easier to decode them. So that's why they can work better on older hardware, older CD players, DVD players, iPods, different things like that. So you do have a ton of settings here. Once you have those settings, then go through and rip your CD and copy your files that way, and I guarantee that they will work in your car if you have a CD player, in your old CD player, things like that. So hope that helps and gets you going there. But there are options when you rip, and depending on the package, I don't use iTunes usually to rip, but I use the Windows Media Player. But iTunes can rip. You just have to have the right settings there to save the file in the right settings there. So hope that helps. We'll close her off here. Bye.